Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time since I last posted. I've been a bit busy. Also, I had the Audi completed, as you know, and I've sold it now, so it's in good hands. And since then, I bought another car, which is why I'm doing the video today. So, it's crashed. It's a Category S car, smashed in the front and the back. So, without any delay, let me show you the car. So there it is. It's a Honda Civic D-Tech. So as you can see, it's all smashed in the front, but it's not major. Let's go around to the back, which is the major part or the major damage. So there is a structural damage. So I don't know what happened to it. It looks like a motorbike crashed into it. It's hard to believe, but I don't know. So as you can see, like it's all gone in. Hopefully I can get that pulled out and get it back and running soon. So it's a 2018 model Honda Civic D-Tech, and yeah, let's have a look inside as well, and let's see if we can get it started. So it was listed as runs and drives in core part, but I have not tried starting it yet. It is a good looking car, but a bit dirty inside. Not bothered much as of now. Get it clean later. Let's try and get this started. Let's see. Ooh, I think the battery is fully dead. Okay, luckily I've got some jump starter. Let me sort that out and get back to you. So I got had a spare battery and the jump starter. Just the spare battery or the jump starter by itself didn't work. So I've connected both of them. I can see the ignition come up. Okay, loads of lights on. Let's try and start it. No? Okay. Right. There is enough fuel in it. I'm not sure why you wouldn't start. Okay. Okay, let me have a look into it and I'll get back to you in a minute. So, I don't know why Copart decided to advertise this as runs and drives. It wouldn't have been running or driving in the first place, because what I found out was, so these little things here is called the bonnet actuators. So what it does is during an impact in the front, these devices deploys and lift the bonnet up. So in case someone got hit by the car, it just works like a cushion or something. So once that's deployed, the car will never start, because it goes onto there was a message on there to say anti-theft mode activated. So but I did have a look online and it said I might be able to start it if I try and clear the crash data. So let's see if I can do that and then give it a try. So far 9 issues found. Scanned 72%. Oh, also I tried ringing Honda to find out how much those actuators would cost. Oh boy, I'm still in shock if I'm being honest. They quoted me just for those two devices, just two little things just like two door hinges, 2.5 grand for just two of those. Honestly, I can't believe how they are ripping people off by just two little devices. 2.5 grand just for those. I had a quote for all the body parts and it's a lot less than that for the bumper, the boot door and everything. And I'm still in shock. I can't believe they've quoted me 2.5 grand just for those. And I tried looking online for second-hand ones from like braking cars. That's almost £1,000. And luckily I have some family in Japan. As it's a Japanese car, I thought it would be a lot cheaper to get it from Japan. So I tried contacting some of my family members, and I spoke to one of my cousins, which he kindly assisted me to have a look in there, and we found one for £350. That's including postage and everything. So once we get that here, it'll be a bargain compared to the price what I'll be spending in here. So let's see. Okay, so it's fully scanned now. Airbag control module, 5 issues. Adaptive cruise control, engine control. Okay, let's see if I can clear them. Issues are being cleared. Okay, I have cleared, but it is still showing the crash light on there. I'm not sure. I don't think it cleared it. I don't know if you can see the little light there. Let's try and start it. Hopefully it starts. If not, might have to change the unit. Oh dear. I think it drained all the battery from my jump starter pack. So I'll charge that up and get back to you, and let's see if we can start it again. No, nothing. Okay, I'll get back to you once everything is done. So until my battery packs are charging, I'm gonna try and remove this and see. I don't think it can be reset once it's deployed, but I have to get it removed anyway, so let's get that removed. So yesterday I removed one of the actuators, so to get to it I had to remove the wipers and the plastic panel on there. I thought it was recording, but unfortunately it wasn't. So however, I left one on to show you guys how it's removed. So there it is. That's the actuator itself, which has been deployed. So normally it should be down here. So let's get this removed and see if we can get the car started. So I've put a new battery as well, so that's a brand new battery, and hopefully I should be able to start the car. Let's see, I don't know what's gonna happen. So let's get this removed and do the other things. There we go. So that is the actuator from the left side. So according to Honda, each of these cost £1,250, which is really a joke, because the same thing but different design for BMWs and Audis, it's only about 25 to 50 quid on eBay. Okay. So the ignition comes on, but I still got all the error messages. Let's see if I can start it. Nope, nothing. So I did some research, and I found out that the car is not starting because of the actuators have gone off and the crash data is still on. So I have to put some new actuators in order to start it. So I checked with one of my cousins in Japan, and it's a lot cheaper than buying it from here, including postage. So I'm gonna get that ordered. Once it arrives, plug that on, and then we can get it started, hopefully, and get the rest of the work done. Without getting the car started, I don't think I can do anything else. I have ordered the bumper and a few other parts, so which is on its way. But ideally, I want to get the car started first and then do the other jobs. So let's see. That's for the next video then. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.